Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktadang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Let's see. So we have here, Three of Swords, Five of Pentacles. So, may iniiyakan pa rin dito na ghoster na hindi ka na kinausap. Parang itong taon to, bigla na lang naglahong, parang bula. Nasaktan ka sa mga ginawa niya sa'yo, sa pagtrato niya sa'yo, na parang ganun na lang yon, na bigla ka na lang niyang inignore, binaliwala. Ten of Swords, so betrayal pa nangyari dito, and the Four of Swords. We have here King of Swords, Four of Wands, Six of Wands, and Five of Swords. So, yung bottom card is Eight of Swords. Talagang, parang na-stuck ka dito sa taong ito na ngayon parang you are in this process of healing pa about this person kasi sobrang nasaktan ka sa ginawa niya. So, tingnan natin sa mga signs and symbol cards. So, we have here, Waterfalls, Tarot card. So, yan, you're seeking clarification sa mga readings, no? And this, talagang iniyakan mo ng sobra tong taon to. So, pwede magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Pwedeng siya or tong taon to or ikaw na connected sa'yo, no? Na nakaka-experience nito na talagang umiiyak siya. Talagang parang waterfalls yung iyak niya dito, hagulgul, ganyan. So, we have here, Dreamcatcher. So, mukhang nagpakita rin siya ngayon sa panaginip mo. Crystal Ball and bell, telephone. So, talagang very soon, makaka-receive ka ng call from this person. Butterfly. So, mukhang this person is, ayan, tatawag siya, magsusorry. Lalo na kung twin flame connection to with the butterfly. Ayan. So, mukhang nagkaroon na ng mga spiritual awakening dito. Nagising na. May mga nagising na. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Lalo na kung you're dealing with a twin flame. I want to grow old with you. I'm proud of you. So, mukhang may nagsabi rin sa kanya na parang hula, pero hindi naman siya totally nagpahula. Pero parang may nagsabi lang sa kanya na yung taong para sa kanya is swak sa mga characteristic mo, ganyan. So, we have here, I want to marry you someday. I'm a liar, kaso nagsinungaling siya sa'yo. Please accept my cup of love. Ayan, can I call you? So, talagang very soon makaka-receive ka ng call from this person. Or kung hinihintay mo man siya, feeling left out in the cold, you're my destiny. Kasi nga, nang ghost tong taon to. Mas magugulat ka na lang, bigla siyang tatawag. Ayan, I regret rejecting you pa. So, mukhang nireject ka nitong taon to. May pinili siyang iba, kaya bigla ka na lang niyang inignore. So, let's see, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin sa reading na to. So, we have here Indigo and Crystal Children by Archangel Metatron. You have a bond with children. In particular, you can help children who are sensitive. So, mukhang may mga maraming bata nakapaligid sa iyo ngayon na parang malaki na itutulong mo sa mga batang to. Or yung work mo is related sa mga bata, sa page ha, ganyan. Or teacher, ganyan. So, mukhang you're surrounded with this children na mukhang malaki rin na naitutulong sa iyo sa iyong healing process. So, let's see more messages natin. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I replay our conversations over and over. Ayan, pero natatakot pa siya kausapin ka. Pero ayan, very soon talaga tatawag na yan sa'yo. So many things remind me of you. I wish I could take back my words. So may mga words din siya masasakit na nasabi sa'yo. I'm starting to understand our connection. I knew exactly what I was doing and I wish things could be different. So medyo may mga different scenarios lang kayong dalawa na parang you're not on the same page, kaya feeling niya parang hindi kayo connected or hindi kayo destiny. Pero ngayon may mga signs na siya nakikita na you're destined to be. And you came closer than anyone. So we have here family, guilty, and mirroring. So mirrored souls pa kayo nitong taong to, o pwedeng soul tribes. Ganyan. So maaaring ito yung taong magkakaroon kayo ng family in the future. And tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng mga initials natin, letter D, or anything na pwedeng mabuo dito na connected sa inyo. S, N, G, I, B, H, letter M, W, C, K, letter U, J ang bottom card natin. Okay, so let's see sa ating general signs and messages. So lalo na kung matagal mo nang hinihintay itong tawag na to from this person, talagang magugulat ka na lang na ito na pala, Libra, Aquarius, other country, may mga karmic relationships. Siguro may mga pinagdaan ng karmic relationship din. Sarcastic, coins is earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, neighbor, and number 6. Kind-hearted, Cancer sign, Cup, another water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, soon. Number 8, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Leo sign. We have here flirtatious, ayan, intelligent, green-minded pa, di ba? So we have here killer smile and need more signs. So need more signs. So dagdagan pa natin. So we also have ayan, patience please, shy at first, Taurus, October. So baka sa October daw. So August pa lang mukhang nagpaplano na, ganyan. Cold City, overthinker, nag-overthink na malala. We have flower, mukhang peace offering. Ganyan, pero nag-i-stock siya, no? Mukhang ini-stock ka pa muna niya. Testing the waters, ganyan, bago siya tumawag. Has a 30 sense of humor, Pisces, and Wands. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.